Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brenna and I love doing budget-friendly DIYs from the Dollar Tree. So if you like seeing items like this repurposed, reused to make them unique, one of a kind for your house, please like and subscribe to my channel. If you're already a subscriber, thanks for coming by and coming back to my channel. Let's start the next DIY. Alrighty. Okay, the items that you will need for this Dollar Tree DIY, you will need a tag sign from the Dollar Tree. You will need a door hanger that hangs a wreath. You will also need some heavy glue like Gorilla Glue or Liberty 6000. And you will need the Dollar Tree lamp. Um, you will also need to bend the door hanger, so you'll need some pliers for that. To make your sconce. I also, when I started this DIY, I already painted it. I forgot to edit that in, but I just painted it black on the back of the sign, and then I went back over it with a little bit of light gray, painted over it with just a tiny bit of light gray just to soften up the black. And then I started with the hanger, and you will start seeing me glue it to bend it down and glue it together with the Lever 6000. I had to leave it overnight and let it sit for definitely a couple hours, and then I just glued it together, and then I started bending it and making the shape. And that's how I started with this one. This turned out so cute. I love the way it hangs, and it just turned out so adorable. I did get a white chalk paint pen from the Dollar Tree, but I've realized, yes, it was silver, so I did silver to match it. And I did write a scripture on it with your word is a lamp unto my feet and a light unto my path. So I did write a scripture on it, and I just did some small S's or S swirls on it, and then I just added some leaves and just finished it off with some decor.
decided to hang mine in my kitchen. I love how it turned out. It's so cute. I just added some string so I can hang it up and just glued it on the back, and there it is, all done. Beautiful, gorgeous. Okay, this next DIY is a jewelry hanger. And all the supplies that you'll need are from the Dollar Tree. So you'll need a Dollar Tree sign, and you'll see, looking at this Dollar Tree sign, it's a lot larger this year than it was last year. Last year it was a smaller Valentine love sign. So I used the smaller one from last year, but you could also use the one from this year if you would like. You will also need a little white wall hanger to hang with the hooks. And you will need, you can use, I use paint in my DIY, but you can also use wallpaper or liners. I did this with another one, and you'll see at the end of the video. But you can also use ribbon. You can do anything you want just to make it glamorous and your own.
Okay, as you can see on my sign, I am painting it white, but you can do what for your sign, you can make it your own. You can paint it any color you like. You can also use liners from the Dollar Tree. They have the wood grain ones. They have the black and white with the flowers on it. You can do whatever you like to make it your own. You can even use there's some art craft stuff you have around the house. You can write your own different saying on it. What I wrote on mine was, you are more precious than rubies. I love that scripture. It's a good Valentine's scripture or a good Mother's Day scripture. But I like that one, so that's what I used for me for my jewelry sign. You can write even the word jewelry. You could also, you could write glamorous. I did write glam on my first time I did this DIY. So you can make it your own. You can write your name, your nickname, you know, whatever you like for your sign for you. And also another trick that I learned from doing it from the first time I did it with my DIY the first time was the first time I used all glue sticks, and I went through like 6 or 7 glue sticks, and I was like, wow, I'm just using a lot of glue. This time I used a staple gun and just did 3 staples, used a lot less glue just to make it more secure. And that's one lesson I learned from doing it the second time. But I really enjoy using it, and I feel like this is such a cheap design. You could change this out every year and make it your unique, and to see how you change throughout the years and how you change, because it's affordable, and you use it, and you'll be surprised how much you use it. I took my old one and I use it for a mask now, so I hang on my mask and I hang it in my laundry room. And then I have my jewelry one in my bedroom. So you can make this your own, and I really think this is a great DIY because you will put it to use. And I'm all about, you know, making things pretty, but I also want to have things that have a purpose. So this DIY has a good purpose. You can use it for multiple things. You can hang your keys. You know, you can make it. You can even write home on it, and then hang all your keys on it. So this DIY is a very functional DIY, and so I think it's a really good one for your house. And I might make my next one home, and then I'll hang my keys on it. So that would be another DIY I can do for the next one. But I encourage you to craft with me, and then you can show me on my Facebook channel all the DIYs that you do too, and follow along with me.
This jewelry hanger turned out super cute. I'm really happy with the results. If you like seeing DIYs like this, check out the next video.